The Control Center is that rectangular box that launches when you log into your account, and it has all sorts of menus and information. At the bottom of my Control Center has a series of tabs, including executions, strategies, positions, orders, logs, messages, and accounts. If you don't see the tab you want, just click on that plus button on the lower right, and you could add any tab that you'd like. The accounts section shows me my accounts, and it shows me information related to each account, including unrealized P&L and total P&L on the session. If I'd like to take a look at my positions, I can go to my positions tab, click on that. It'll show me my open positions. And in this case, I have 3 open positions. I am short 1 micro Bitcoin, and it shows my average price, my open P&L, and the account that it's in. I have in a short micro crude contract, and again, it shows you all that information. You could customize these columns also by right-clicking and then clicking on properties, and then you could add or subtract columns to your view and change font sizes. To track your orders, your working orders that aren't filled, click on the Orders tab, and you'll see a series of information for all of the working orders that you've had, in addition to orders that have been filled already. And of course, you could click on the top of a column to resort the order in which you see it. Now, one thing that's super handy here is on the right-hand side, I could cancel an order from this view without having to go to the trading ladder or the charts. I could simply just click on this X and it will cancel an order. It's really that easy and really that fast. Again, right-click at the bottom and you could go ahead and you could change your properties. Dialog box appears. You could change the colors, you could change the fonts, and you could change the columns that which you would like to view. Now, if you have a position, let's go back to the position tab, and you would like to flatten that position, you simply just click on the position you like, right-click, another menu pops up, and then you have the ability to do different things, including close the position, flatten everything, so flatten all of your positions, roll a position, filter by account, and other options available. I'm going to go ahead and click on close position to close the micro Bitcoin position, and it sends a market order to flatten my position. It really is that simple. Hope that helps.